it's important to keep up on maintenance on your disc brakes. One of the major things is brake pads. As pads wear out, you'll get down to the backing plate and you don't want that metal on metal contact. I've actually seen it where they've worn through the pad, worn through the backing plate, and they've actually started to wear on the piston itself. Stick with us and we'll walk you through how to know when to replace your disc brake pads. We just put a new playlist up on YouTube about disc brakes. Go check it out. It goes over rotor replacement, pad replacement, disc brake alignment for both hydraulic and mechanical. It's a lot of great information. And that's kind of what spurred this Tech Tuesday about pad wear and how to know when to replace your pads. So a seasoned bike mechanic will know just by looking at a pad if it's worn out, but they need to get there somehow. So to measure your pad material, you got to come up with some kind of measuring device. You can use a digital caliper, you can use feeler gauges, you can use business cards. 3 business cards is about 1 millimeter thick. We suggest about 1 millimeter of pad thickness or lower is time to replace. So now go to your garage, go to your buddy's garage, go to your bedroom, check out your disc brakes, make sure they're safe to ride. We'll see you on the next Tech Tuesday. We just dropped a disc brake repair help playlist on YouTube. There's a lot of fantastic content, goes over a lot of adjustments, replacements, a lot of different things about disc brakes. Go check it out. Have a wonderful day.